We are with the senior leadership of Beckhoff at IMTEX 2025, and we are going to find out what's new that they have on display for us this year. So firstly, if you can tell us something about the innovations, the unique products that you have on display this year, sir, for us.
Beckhoff is showcasing the complete range of PC-based automation for machine tools that includes NCI and CNC solutions. We also have special software solutions for deciding the motor sizing, and we also have new technologies like distributed drives available with us. I would like to hand over and introduce Mr. Pawan, who is a technical expert in motion control, and he will explain you further about the new things what we have. Hi Pawan.
Thank you, Ajay. So for the machine tool industries, the CNC functionalities are main. So we have two categories in Beckhoff, that is the NCI as well as the CNC, wherein we can do the 3-axis interpolation with NCI and full-fledged 32-axis interpolation in CNC. The good advantage is our CNCs are open CNC, which can be used for laser applications, wood cutting applications, machine tools, you name any machining functionality, our CNCs are most suitable for that. Second thing, we have a harder interfaceability where you can use digital drives. They are distributed one. You can use the AMP as the new motor product category, that is integrated drive and motor in single unit. Also we have a distributed one. That is for the CNC part. Also we have as a software part, we have come up with the MC3, that is a new motion control platform wherein you can do the unlimited access pack control in the software itself. There is no limitation of access controlling. Existing libraries can be reused for the MC3 designing, and it has got a inbuilt library wherein we can do the many options for paper industries and many other activities on that.
If you can also tell us about some of your sustainable solutions that you have for us for the Indian markets.
See, sustainable solutions are most linked with, is your control system future ready? There are so many changes happening in the industry, the demands are changing, and every time you cannot replace your machines completely. So your machine should be able to adapt to the new ways of production. They should be modular, and to manage these kind of machines, you require a control system which is flexible, which is programmable, which is customizable, and it can sustain and accept and deliver the new expected output from the machines. And for this, PC based solution is the best way, and Beckhoff what software tool is being offered is TwinCAD, which is actually the real core of this, which is complete future ready. It integrates higher level programming languages as well as the operational level. So IT and OT both are integrated into the same platform, as well as measurement and AI and machine learning tools are also integrated. Vision is also integrated. So it becomes a complete comprehensive platform for all applications required in machine.
Lastly, if you can tell us something about the future plans, some products in the pipeline for the Indian markets.
See, drives are the key to motion control, and we are working towards getting some most technologically advanced drives, but at a very attractive economics which can fit in tomorrow. We are also coming up with products for like frequency drives for normal AC motors and induction motors. There are other applications where IO modules require multiple signals to be integrated into signal. They should be configurable. All these things are expected in the coming future.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking to us. Thank you so much. I would also like you to give a small introduction about yourself, your designation, and you also.
Yeah. Hello, I'm Ajey Phatak. I'm the country head marketing for Beckhoff Automation in India, and I'm responsible for promoting this technology all over the places to the users, to the machine builders and the system integrators. So this show is part of this activity, and we are accompanied with our local team here and our technical expert like Pawan, who will introduce himself now.
Thank you, Ajay. Myself, Pawan Sadarjoshi. I am working as a senior application manager in Beckhoff since 12 years. I mainly take care of the motion products and also I am an application manager. So south side, all the technical supports will be undertaken by me. Thank you.